Just want to show here this bird that my dog is eating that he ate. That he hunted. You know that he got it. I just want to show the meat color, how red it is. It is a healthy animal. It's a natural animal from the wild. It just shows how healthy it is. You know, there's no worms or nothing. It's just a healthy animal. That's pretty cool. It's not like a white or nothing. I mean, this bird pretty much eats healthy, you know, for the most part. You know, I mean, still some of the guts there. The tripe. You still have some of it. You're gonna finish it, buddy? Good boy. He likes the birds. These birds. For the first time. He already ate the legs. I mean, one of the legs. There's one left. He likes the bone, you know. That's one of the best parts of when he eats. When I feed him, he likes to eat the bone last. Yeah. Yeah. There's no waste. He's not gonna have leftovers probably. Get probably some feathers. Some people might think this is cruel because he ate a bird that he hunted, that he caught from a tree, you know. And I encourage him to do it, I guess. But I rather him to eat the bird than to eat, you know, the food that I have for him. Not that it's a bad food, and I have him to eat meat, but it's frozen meat, you know. It's meat that's been frozen for a long time. This meat that he's eating right now is fresh. It's a fresh kill. Like he just killed it. And now he's eating it. He's getting all those nutrients fresh. There's no. Look at that meat. It's so red.
I think I need to get the next size up in this one.
Let me see. You're fine. I think you're fine. Oh, okay. You might end up going up a little bit.
Well,
Yeah.
I like this one too.
I like it, but it's maybe a little bigger.
Yeah, just to make so it's longer.
Mm-hmm. That's the last part of the bird. Basically where the head is. I don't think he's gonna eat the head. He doesn't seem to like to eat the head. Today he's not gonna eat anymore. You know, I already fed him today a little bit of milk and eggs and some fruit and some liver. You see, I guess he doesn't want to eat the guts. Some of the liver there, yes. Liver, guts. He's a good boy. I can pet him when he eats, and he doesn't mind. This kind of dog that you want. This is a good dog right here. We got now plants that I'm gonna be growing, so I need him to keep this area free from any animals that wanna steal my plants, and that will give him a purpose, something to do. So I'm gonna wait to get his food. That way I don't have to feed him. Like if he's a bird a day, All I have to do is give him maybe an egg or even like some milk, some butter, maybe extra fat, fruit for hydration because it's hot, being hot lately. So it's still the heart there. If you can see, that's the heart still there. It's gonna go to it right now. Oh, it's still there. It's right there. That's the heart. That thing right there. Gonna see some of the rib. It's like he's literally saving the. He got it. He got the heart. I think he got it. Yeah. He got the heart. Oops. Sorry. I gotta get better microphone, but get better with the camera, I guess. Hello, you dog lovers and nature lovers, I guess. Enjoying this mukbang ASMR by my Manchester Terrier mix Anubis. He's an 8-year-old Manchester Terrier mix. A little chunky, but it's alright. He weighs about 30 pounds. He should be around 25, but I don't really believe on all those charts. He looks pretty healthy to me. What do you guys think? I mean, look at his coat, how soft it is, and he's old already. He's 8 years. He has some white hair, but super healthy. So he ate the whole bird, no waste. You know, he wasn't gonna waste. This is nature. He's doing its course. There's nothing wrong here, nothing bad happening. It's just a dog eating. He was hungry. He caught the bird. He caught the bird. Actually, my other dog got the bird, but this one was the one who ate it. But there's no waste. So he's gonna probably eat all the bone material. Some of that feather will work as fiber, so it will give him some good digestion too. It's like hair and fiber hair and feathers on dogs when they eat it. It helps them with like digestion and stuff. They don't really need plants. If you consider what the bird had inside as a food material wasn't really much. So plants he really don't need. All he needs is this. It's just bone. He needs the bone so he can get some minerals for himself because he's getting old. So he needs for his strong bones. Oh, cute he is. Oh, he does it. Good boy, Newbie. You're gonna sleep good tonight, huh? Huh, buddy? Yeah. He's a handsome boy. Look, he's so handsome. Smart. He's been on a raw diet for about a little over 2 years already. Before that it was kibble and some cooked food here and there, you know, but nothing. He wasn't getting any nutrients or nothing. And then we switched him to raw, and I supplement him with foods. I just give him eggs, I give him raw milk. He doesn't take any supplements or nothing. I don't give him any supplements whatsoever. I just give him high quality food, and I let him do this stuff too, so he can get anything that he needs. The only thing he ate is the guts. Oh, that's where the fiber is. You don't need it. You get the fiber from the feathers. Probably swallow plenty of feathers. That's it, buddy? Are you done? That bird probably was about a pound, maybe. I think he probably ate close to a pound of meat. He's just smelling for anything left, but he doesn't really want the guts. So I'm guessing the guts are not good. I'm gonna throw it on my compost. Thanks for watching. Say bye, Newbie. 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 Hey. Newbie. Hey. Say bye. Hey. Sit. Hey. You gotta sit. You gotta sit. Hey. You gotta sit. Newbie. Sit. Sit. Newbie. Oh my God. Newbie. Sit. Hey, sit. Newbie, sit. 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 You don't want to sit right now. Why you don't want to sit? Alright, thanks for watching. He doesn't obey right now, but he does sit, I promise. He does sit. I'll show videos of when he sits and the tricks. He's just too not focused right now on me. He's focused on everything else but me. Okay, closer from the ass. Bye.